Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's meant to make you a better home baker. Today I'm making a banana chocolate muffin, a simple recipe with easy to find ingredients. We'll start with the bananas. Here I have 3 of them that I have mashed. Make sure the lumps are very small. And then you have some 2 eggs, sugar, baking soda, some chocolate chips. If you have white chocolate chips, you can still use it. We also have some baking powder and some oil. Today I'm decided to actually make it with the oil because I get a lot of you asking about recipes of oil. So this is a good recipe that you can actually use without the melted butter. So for the 2 eggs, beat them. Add to your banana and then half a cup of oil, and mix. This now forms the wet ingredients. And then for the dry ingredients, I'll add the chocolate chips, the sugar, baking soda, and the baking powder. So this one too, you mix everything together, and then I'll add my wet ingredients. So for the ripe banana, make sure it's completely ripe, and then now I'll put them into my baking tray with lined with cupcake papers. So I usually like using an ice cream scoop because it gives me the right measurement all the time. But you can also use two spoons. Just scoop 1 spoon and then the other one you use it to scrape off from the first spoon. So the trick when you're doing muffins or even cupcakes is to make sure that you place your mixture just at the maximum at 3/4 level, because you want to give it room to rise and not to overflow. Now these ones will bake in my oven. It's already preheated. It's at 180 degrees. So it will bake for about 15 minutes. So muffins are ready. And how you know a difference between a muffin and a cupcake is that usually muffins are a little bit dry, like this one on the top, and you will not need any icing on the top. As you can see, they are nice and brown, so they are evenly brown. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get notification every time I post a new recipe. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Goodbye.